Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a step-by-step tutorial on connecting the SIYI RC10 Pro to the Skydroid C11. The SIYI UniRC10 Pro is specially designed for professional operations involving drones, UGVs, USVs, and intelligent robots. It features a 10.1-inch ultra-bright 2000 nit display, allowing you to stay in full control at your fingertips. The C11 is a compact HD 3-axis gimbal camera. It uses a new generation imaging chip paired with a high-definition, distortion-free camera, delivering a wide field of view and clear, sharp images. With 8 megapixels of effective resolution, it supports powerful 4K video recording and photo capture, preserving every moment in detail. It also supports 30 digital zoom, bringing distant scenes closer. Thanks to its industrial-grade 3-axis stabilization structure, image shake is greatly reduced, ensuring smooth and stable footage. The C11 can be mounted on platforms of various sizes. This tutorial is divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to connect the devices. How to display and operate the image. What products are used? The products used in this test include SIYI RC10 Pro Remote Controller, Skydroid C11 Gimbal Camera, Tata 16,000 mAh battery. Cables used: C11 Ethernet power cable, RC10 Pro receiver power cable. How to connect the devices. First, connect the C11 POW Plus LAN port to the LAN port of the RC10 Pro receiver. The C11 connector is GH 1.257 pin. The RC10 Pro receiver connector is GH 1.258 pin. Next, power on the C11 gimbal camera first. And then power on the RC10 Pro receiver. How to display and operate the image. Turn on the remote controller and open the Gimbal FPV application. If no image appears after entering the app, tap the switch icon in the bottom menu, find the C11 icon and tap to enter. Interface functions. The first icon is the video recording button. The second icon is the photo capture button. The third icon enables the floating window. The fourth icon opens the parameter settings. Parameter settings. Gimbal control. Supports AI tracking and 3 control modes. Multiple modes can be enabled simultaneously. Swipe on the screen to control the gimbal's yaw and pitch. AI tracking. After selecting a target, the C11 will automatically track it. Notes on AI tracking. AI tracking cannot be used simultaneously with gesture control. When AI tracking is enabled, onboard recording resolution switches to 720p. When AI tracking is disabled, onboard recording is 4K. Gimbal calibration. Calibrates the gimbal's operating temperature to prevent malfunctions caused by large differences between ambient temperature and IMU temperature. Gimbal fine-tuning. Factory calibrated by default. Do not use this option unless there is a gimbal issue. Working mode. Set the gimbal to upright mounting or inverted mounting. Gimbal speed. Choose between constant speed mode and variable speed mode to adjust rotation speed. HDR. Turn HDR on or off. The device will reboot and requires about 30 seconds. HDR improves image quality but reduces the frame rate from 25 frames per second to 20 frames per second. System settings. Set the encoding mode. Flip the image. View the camera version. Enable or disable OSD display. The C11 supports up to 30 digital zoom. Enter system settings and copy the C11 RTSP address. Open QGC. Application settings. Set video source to RTSP video stream. Paste the RTSP address. Return to the flight interface and the C11 video will be displayed. Open UGVs. Tap Settings in the top right corner. Paste the C11 RTSP address into camera A or camera B. And the C11 image will appear in the C ground station. That concludes our complete tutorial on how to connect the SIYI RC10 Pro to the C11. Thank you for watching. If there's more content you'd like to see, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and usage guides. See you in the next video.